Alright guys, it is Crypto Richie, and we have talked about how to download KuCoin and what to do to set it up. We have talked about how to fund your KuCoin. Now we are going to talk about how to get that, let's say Bitcoin, over to the trading account, sell that, and buy another token. I'm actually going to be able to post what's going on my screen right here real time. So if you guys see me looking down, I'm actually doing what's on the screen at the same time. So let's get into it. First, we're going to open up KuCoin. You'll always see an app or an ad there, rather. You can either wait the 3 seconds or hit skip. Now, this is the basic screen. We will get into more of these features in another video. Right now, I just want to talk about how to get that Bitcoin from what we did in Cash App over and sell it. So we're going to go to the bottom right. We're going to hit Assets, and it's automatically going to take you to the main account. Now, a main account, you can withdraw, deposit, you can lend out money, which we'll talk about later, and you can transfer. So the only thing we're going to be talking about today is transferring. So let's say that top one is that Bitcoin you just sent from Cash App. We are simply going to either hit that arrow, and you have the option here to transfer, or you can go up to the top where it says transfer. You can see that Bitcoin, and then right here you see where it's from main account to trading account. You can just hit all, and you hit confirm, and now it is in your trading account. Now you just go back, you see where trading is. You're just going to tap that. Bam, same thing here. So your Bitcoin's probably going to be on top, but if you're like me and have a bunch, you're just going to have to go in here and type in your Bitcoin. So now you see your Bitcoin, you're just going to hit this arrow, and then now it's going to show you all of the things that it can be traded to. Obviously, we're going to go to USDT. Everything on KuCoin trades for USDT. Now, if you want to save yourself a little bit of fees and some time, go look for the coin you want, and maybe it trades directly for Bitcoin. If it does not, this is how you do it. You're going to switch the buy to sell, and you're always going to set your limit to market. That way, it's just going to sell it at whatever the market is. You're going to hit 100% or how much ever you want, and you're going to hit sell Bitcoin. Now your Bitcoin is in USDT, so you're just going to hit that bottom right assets again. You're going to clear out your BTC, and let's say you want to buy Crow. Now, if it's not showing up, you can do the same thing of what you want to buy here. We know it's there, so we're just going to tap Crow. And of course, you see how Crow you can trade for BTC. This skips that whole step if you just want to convert it right into Crow, but not every coin or token can be done like that. So we're going to go to USDT because we just sold everything from there. Right now we are set to buy. Make sure your market is set for market. And then let's just say I want to buy 250 bucks worth of Crow. I hit buy. That's it. That's how easy that is. Now we're going to get more in another video into buy limits and sell limits and everything else. We're just not going to do it in this one because I want to give you guys the basics of how to get started. And of course, if you want to see your graph, you can just hit that top right where you see the wicks, and this is what's going to show you what your coin is doing or token. So guys, this is the basics of what to do after you get that Bitcoin into your KuCoin. If you guys have any more videos you want to see or comments, make sure to write them below. You can always follow me on every single platform out there with the Crypto Richie, my new sweater. And if you guys, I'm trying to blow this YouTube up a lot more because I could do a lot more on YouTube than I can on TikTok. So make sure you like and subscribe here. Tell your friends too. So if this helped you guys out, I hope it does. Either way, let me know. Give me some thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. You guys have a good one.